He's used to people. Get closer.
Thought it was a rock, eh?
I thought it was like a little statue thing on there. I was gonna touch him, then I saw him move.
Not moving now.
Get closer. Slowly crouch down. You want me to get closer to him for you? If you're afraid of him?
I'm not afraid of him.
Think of him, get closer.
My camera's close enough. Yeah.
The digital zoom is not as good as the actual lens zoom.
I'll make him go away.
Slowly get down.
Nah, I'm not good at that.
Okay, well, pause your video and I'll do it for you.
Oh, you could hear it. Just take it.